Welcome to this lecture where we will explore the history of computing and the key milestones that have shaped the field. Understanding the history of computing can give us insight into the current state of technology and provide a foundation for predicting future developments. Early computing devices. The earliest computing devices were invented in ancient times and were used to perform simple mathematical calculations. These devices included the abacus, the slide rule, and the astrolabe. These devices were critical in advancing mathematics and laid the foundation for later computing devices. One of the most famous early computing devices is the Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek device used to calculate the position of the planets and stars. The invention of the printing press in the 15th century marked a major turning point in the history of computing, as it made it possible to mass-produce books and other written materials. Major milestones in computing history. The 19th century saw the invention of several key computing technologies, including Charles Babbage's analytical engine, which is considered to be the first programmable computer. The development of the telegraph and the telephone in the late 19th and early 20th centuries paved the way for the invention of electronic computing devices. The mid-20th century saw the development of the first electronic computers, such as the ENIAC and the UNIVAC. These computers were large, expensive, and only available to government agencies and large corporations. However, they were essential in the development of modern computers. Contributions of key figures in computing history. Ada Lovelace is considered to be the world's first computer programmer, as she worked with Charles Babbage on his analytical engine and wrote the first algorithm intended to be processed by a machine. Alan Turing is considered to be the father of computer science and artificial intelligence, as he played a key role in cracking the German Enigma code during World War II and developed the Turing machine, which is considered to be the theoretical basis for modern computers. Grace Hopper, known as the Queen of Code, played a key role in the development of early programming languages and the development of the COBOA language. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak co-founded Apple Computer in 1976 and played a key role in the development of the personal computer industry. Their contributions revolutionized the way people use computers and transformed the computing industry. In conclusion, the history of computing is a fascinating journey that has led to the development of modern computers and transformed the way we live and work. By studying the history of computing, we can better understand the advancements in technology and appreciate the contributions of key figures who have paved the way for modern computing.